On 22nd June 2022, a friendly match between the East Khasi Hills Police DEF and the Shillong Press Club was held at the SAI Ground in the Northeastern Hill University campus, Shillong. The match had been organized as part of the observance of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the 26th of June this year. The chief guest at the event was the Director General of Police, L.R. Bishnoi. Those present included the President of the Shillong Press Club, David O Laitphlang, and supporters of both teams besides others. The friendly match was won by the East Khasi Hills Police, who were able to score 4-1 against the Shillong Press Club.
Won by 4-1 margin. But let me appreciate the Shillong Press Club football team. They played very well. My appreciation goes to each and every player of Shillong Press Club, and it was really nice to see their enthusiasm, encouragement. They have participated with full energy and commitment. Today's friendly match is organized during the run-up to an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. As we all know, United Nations has declared 26th June as an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking in 1987. And since then, every year this day is observed not only in India but worldwide.